are perpendicular to the line y minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 passes through the point -8, 5. Determine its equation. How can we determine the equation of the line? So we can have a sketch like this one here. So this is a perpendicular line. This is one line, this is the second line. This second line is perpendicular to this line and it passes through the point -8, 5. So now this equation we are given to be y minus 4x plus 3. So we can simplify this equation. Y is equal to, this one is y, this equation is y minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. We can write it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So we can find the gradient over this line, and the product of gradients of perpendicular lines are always -1. So now let's find the gradient of this line. So this is a y minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4x minus 3. So from here, our m here is 4. So our m, which is the gradient, is equal to 4. So our gradient here is 4. So now we can say that the gradient of this line is 4, and the product of the gradients of perpendicular lines are always -1. So now we can say that let k be the gradient of the line passing through -8, 5. So let k be the gradient of this line. And in this line we are having point -8, 5. Let's say that the other point is xy. So how can we find the gradient of this other line? So the gradient is given by, the gradient of a line is given by is always given by change in y coordinates over corresponding change in x coordinates. So now what we do is that we can say that we subtract, this is y minus y minus 5 over x minus 8. So this is giving us y minus 5 over x plus 8. This is supposed to give us the gradient of this line. It is supposed to give us the gradient of this line. And we know that the product of the two gradients, the gradient of this line and this line, is supposed to give us -1 because they are perpendicular to one another. And we have already found the gradient of this line to be 4. So we can say that 4 times k, which is the gradient of this line, is supposed to give us -1. So k times 4 is supposed to give us -1. We can divide here by 4. We can divide here by 4. So 4 cancel 4. K is equal to -1 over 4. So the gradient of this other line is supposed to be -1 over 4. Because when we multiply -1 over 4 times 4, we get -1. That is the product between the two gradients of these two perpendicular lines. So now we can complete our equation here. We can solve it. We can say that y minus 5 over x plus 8 is equal to -1 over 4. -1 over 4. So that is y minus 5 over x plus 8 is equal to -1 over 4. We can multiply here by x plus 8 and here by x plus 8. So this will cancel that. y minus 5 is equal to -1 over 4 x minus 8 over 4, which is equal to -1 over 4 x minus 2 is equal to y over 5. y over 5. So we want to find the equation of the line that is passing through -8 and 5. So what is this equation? So now we can say that this is y minus 5 is equal to -1 over 4 minus 2. y, we bring, this is x, we bring this one this other side, it becomes plus 1 over 4 x is equal to, we bring -5 this other side, it becomes positive 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So this is y plus 1 over 4x. y plus 1 over 4x is equal to 3. y plus 1 over 4x is equal to 3. We can multiply here by 4, here by 4. So this is 4 times y plus 1 over 4x times 4 is equal to 3 times 4. 4y 4y plus x is equal to 12. 4y plus x is equal to 12. So this is our equation of the other line. The equation of the required line is 4y plus x is equal to 12. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.